one thing that people might not think about very much, but is changing your light bulbs before you leave. A lot of people nowadays are using these kind of fancy fluorescent bulbs in their regular light sockets just to save energy and to save money. And if the point is to save money, then you want to make sure and take them with you because they're very expensive. So before I leave, I've just gone around about a week before. It's just something you can think about. Start thinking about a week, 2 weeks out, so that you can count the light bulbs that you need to buy, and then you can buy just the plain old light bulbs, and you can go ahead and take out all of your fluorescent bulbs and replace them with the regular bulbs. And something else just to be aware of is that these can be very toxic if you break them. So be very careful when you are removing them, and when you're packing them, make sure you mark that box fragile and that they're packed well with a lot of padding.